Yes, there are several advantages to buying an iPhone directly from Apple. Authenticity and warranty. When you buy directly from Apple, you can be confident that you are purchasing an authentic iPhone. Apple's products are known for their quality, and buying from the official source ensures that you are getting a genuine device. Additionally, Apple provides a warranty on their products, so if you encounter any issues, you can rely on their customer support and service centers for assistance. Customization and personalization. Apple offers various customization options when purchasing an iPhone directly from their website or Apple stores. You can choose the storage capacity and color, and sometimes even engrave your device with personalized text. This allows you to tailor the iPhone to your preferences and create a unique device. AppleCare Plus protection. Apple offers an extended warranty program called AppleCare Plus for iPhones. By purchasing an iPhone directly from Apple, you have the option to add AppleCare Plus coverage to your device. This program provides additional support and coverage for accidental damage, giving you peace of mind in case of unforeseen incidents. Trade-in and financing options. Apple provides trade-in programs where you can exchange your existing device for credit towards a new iPhone purchase. This can help offset the cost of upgrading to a new model. Additionally, Apple offers financing options such as monthly installment plans, making it more affordable to purchase an iPhone. Consistent customer experience. When buying directly from Apple, you can expect a consistent customer experience across their online and physical stores. Their staff is trained to provide support and guidance, and you can access Apple's resources and services, such as Apple Support and Genius Bar appointments, if you need assistance with your device. Priority access to new releases. Apple often releases new iPhone models and software updates directly through their channels before they become widely available through other retailers. Buying directly from Apple can give you early access to the latest products and features. While there may be other authorized resellers or third-party retailers that sell iPhones, purchasing directly from Apple offers several benefits in terms of product authenticity, warranty, customization, support, and access to special programs. However, it's always a good idea to compare prices and check for any promotions or deals available from other reliable sources before making a final decision.